respectful and be safe.
And don't forget your mask. Put them on properly. Make sure they snugly fit.
Start over.
And block all your air holes. You got 2 here, you got 1 there that's massive. Make sure you block them all thoroughly. All right, 4th grade, and as you enter your new school building for elementary school of this year, you will come by the office and you will walk over here by the horse barn, and then as you head up these stairs, you'll stay to the right, just like these fine teachers are going to model for you. Notice the distance between them. They're not running, they're not screaming, they're not kicking, scratching, or biting. Nice and quietly up the right side of the stairs, and that will lead you on your way. At the top of the stairs, all of you will go left and find your appropriate room.
Hey guys, I'm Miss Smith. You will find me at room 301. Make sure you bring your Chromebooks charged up and ready to go. Bring your charger, and we actually have the cases for you to put those in, ready to go on Monday.
Hi guys, I'm Miss Glenn. My room is 303, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do with water bottles. So you take your water bottle, fill it up, and do your drink. Hi guys, I'm Mrs. Hallax, and I am so excited that you're going to be in my class. Alright, so you're going to look for room 305, which is right next door to Mrs. Whiten's room. And don't forget, which I am 12 feet away from the person filming, don't forget to wear your mask, okay? Because we're going to be wearing masks all the time. But, whoops, you're going to love being in my room because it's just going to be a hoot. We are going to go on mask breaks, so make sure you wear comfortable shoes, okay? Because we may go for a hike. Alright, we'll talk to you
Hi
later.
guys, this is Mrs. Tweedy. You're gonna find me in room 304. I look forward to seeing you guys on Monday.
Hi everyone, I'm Miss Hill. You will not see me this year in here because I'm teaching virtually, but you will see me, so watch your email for online instructions.
Hello, 4th grade. Welcome to Cooper Elementary. I'm Mr. Steinspring. I'm in room 300. I will be one of the virtual teachers with Miss Hill, and although I will not be having a full body of students in my classroom, I will be fully present and ready to enforce the rules up and down these halls as need be. So please be on your best behavior, and I can't wait to see you on Monday.